Causing doubt is the goal. Well, yeah, I mean, for us it is, yeah. They're going to have a lot to prove. But, I mean, I don't even understand the joyriding charge, you know? At that point, I feel like my rights were violated. Because, well, I'm going to go read the fucking law. Because I don't know how self-defense works in this city, so... I'd assume if it's based on loose American law, if there is any, there might be none, you would think it is reasonable to act in a way that could save you or others' lives around you if there's minimal risk involved, no matter the circumstance. So, you know, if someone pulls a gun on you and you shoot them, you did what you needed to do to save lives, right? If your car is parked in the middle of a fucking highway and there's cars flying by, driving it to a police station, which is one direct road up Sonora, seems pretty logical. You know what I mean? There's weapons in the car, you know, there's cuffs in the car, there's anything in the car. It's police equipment. It not only protects my life, but the people around me. So, did I joyride is a question. You know, that's already debatable. Then they've already admitted to violating my rights in the court itself. The proceedings, which you're about to see. Soze doesn't know, obviously, but I've seen it. But it is, well, I've heard about it, actually. I haven't seen it, but I've heard it. Because of what we were told in the courtroom, essentially. The courtroom, the jail. But we need to see things to believe things, all right? Then, I need to understand, and this is why it's good that I didn't watch clips and I haven't read all the legislation. I actually don't know a lot of the law. Some of this might not stand, and they might be fucking stupid, but we're going to find out. At the end of the day, it's only one thing that needs to stick, okay? And if my rights were violated at all, it says I and anybody who is a lawyer, a judge, or has the power needs to request a mistrial. I told the judge, obviously my lawyer knows, and that's a play, and I told the prosecutor, and if those two also do not request the mistrial, they are violating my rights again. So, I don't know. It's like it's a cycle of if my rights are violated, you have to do this. And if you don't do this, you're violating my rights. And I don't know if there's like an endless circle of me getting ass fucked, but we'll see. I want the court case to go ahead though, and then, you know, we'll mention it at the start of the court case. Judges are rare these days. Yeah, well, I mean, listen. I can understand how it could be somewhat tiresome, but at the same time, I made a judge to begin with because I actually wanted to do a lot of this law type shit. But I don't think people were keen on me being in that aspect or that role at that point, so I ended up playing Ferrari and fucking around a bit. Actually, we did the tow guy a fair bit too. What am I saying?